So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing PlayStation network sign in failed in your PlayStation, or we are doing some maintenance on PlayStation network right now, please try again later. Error WS-116449-5 error problem. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing steps to fix this error problem. So guys, the steps to fix this error problem is: while waiting for these servers to come back online, try these steps. Number 1. Restart your console. A simple restart can fix minor connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 or PS4 completely. Wait a few minutes, then power it back on. Now the second step is check your internet connection. Sometimes local Wi-Fi issues can cause connectivity problems. Test your internet speed and restart your router if necessary. So these two steps were helping in you to fix the PlayStation error problem, or you have to wait for some time, then the servers will automatically fixed. To like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.